What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So we got Devil May Cry Season 2. So I've drawn Dante, but let's draw Vergil, his brother. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause for go too fast. I'm going to start with his eyebrows, right, because he's a grumpy guy. So start with the eyebrows just in the middle. Center point of my page is there. And we'll just do a diagonal line like that. And then they're kind of crinkly eyebrows, so they have a lot of angles in them. So it goes up, down, then it changes direction, back up, and then changes again and comes down. And then we do the top portion. So again, sort of bumpy in the middle, back up to the back, and real sort of spiky down here. I'll do that on the other side as well. Just about there. And then we'll crinkle it again. Down, back up. Down the back. And just add the space that we can color. Like so. So very sort of bumpy eyebrows. He does have some frown lines in between. And then his eyes. So his eyes start just here in the middle of this sort of first bump for the eyebrow. So we get like, and his eyebrow covers some of his eye, right? So it comes down there, and then it comes out the other side up here. So imagine the eye keeps going underneath. And then it just comes back, and he's loads of eyelashes, you know. Devil May Cry do this kind of big eyelash section on the corner. That's slightly darker in there as well. And then his bottom eyelid line, that way. And he has a little eye line down here. And then some stuff on the inside as well. Alright, his blue iris, it's kind of pointy. So it kind of like comes down like this and then goes around. So it's not like a perfect circle. And then his pupil, same sort of thing. Like so. Now I'm going over to do the other eye, so start in the same spot. Now roughly, depending on how you did your eyebrows, so it's roughly an eye width, like between his two tear ducts, between these two lines. So if you measured his eye, that'll give you roughly where the other eye will be, where this other mark will be. Okay, in between the two, the insides of his eye. And then we go over. Again, adding like a big sort of eyelash, spiky section. And then add the bottom. And then he's got those eyelid lines just around his eye again. There's a couple on top here as well. I didn't do it on that side, just there. And then a long sort of cat-like iris again. Alrighty, so that's pretty much his eye section. So his nose, so the bridge of the nose, very sort of straight and flat. Goes down that way. And then his sort of tip of his nose there, and then a nostril there. And then his mouth is extremely flat, so it's, and they break it up into two parts. So one, kind of like that, right? So very flat, serious. Mouth, and then his bottom lip, just there. And then we get his chin, very strong, square chin. The proportions of things, eyebrow to nostril, about the same as nostril to chin. Nostril to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. That and that are about the same, roughly. And then this and this are about the same. Okay, and then we go for his jaw. So jaw, just you're aiming sort of for like underneath this part of his eye, just here, right? Across maybe his top lip or his mouth. Okay, so like under here, across from there, and same, so aiming for there. And you change the angle so it doesn't go that way, it goes like up this way. So you turn. And you're aiming for like beside his just eyelashes there. And you just bring this down. Pretty straight. Same over this side. Like so. Alright, and just here we have sideburns, so just add a V. And then his ears come out from the top of this. Like so. Maybe get some ear lines inside. Easiest way is this sort of letter J shape. And then you can add a bit more if you want. Right, so then his spiky sort of hairline. So we get like little spikes that stick out. Like this. So up, and we'll do something similar on the other side. So this comes down to like a V, just sort of in the middle of his head. And then it goes back. And then we'll go up and over, down to there. Put that little spike that sticks out. And then we have some textures just on his hair here. And then we go up, down. And he's like, his hair kind of like spikes around. So it goes up this way. I think it goes like up here. like so. He has like a couple of little sort of scratches on his face as well. Okay, so neck and shoulders. So his neck pretty wide, down from here. And then he's got a black collar. And then the side of it. And then another layer inside. And then like a bunched up little sort of cravat sort of thing just here. Right, and then we get his shoulder that way. Well, it's the fabric of this neckerchief thing. And then his blue high-collared jacket just comes down this way. And then wide shoulders, and he has like a lapel on each of these, like a thing with a button on it, like a little strap there, and then shoulder goes down. Same on this side. Okay, and then I think it's just like shoulder line that way, shoulder line like this way, and then we get like some decorative sort of stuff. So there's like all lines coming down here. And then there's some gold symbols here. Where does that go? Just down off that way. And then, yeah, over here. Do, 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 boop. And I think that's everything. Vergil from Devil May Cry. I hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.